Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you can make smarter purchases. Today, we're soaring high with a drone showdown between the Holystone HS720E and the Holystone GPS drone HS175D. Buckle up because this is going to be a flight to remember. First up, the price. The HS720E lands at a respectable $399. Meanwhile, the HS175D is flying a bit lower at $229. So if your wallet's feeling a bit light, the HS175D might just be the ticket. But wait, does cheaper mean better? Let's find out. Camera quality, because if it's not on Instagram, did it even happen? The HS720E sports a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. Translation: your videos will be smoother than a buttered dolphin. Reviewers love its professional-level video quality and stability. On the other hand, the HS175D also boasts a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. While the video quality is good for recreational use, some users have noted minor artifacts due to the lack of advanced stabilization. The HS720E takes the cake here. Next, let's talk about flight stability and features. The HS720E is like a seasoned pilot with its air optical flow, air pressure altitude control, GPS location, and auto return to home. It's basically a flying genius, and users highlight its impressive stability and advanced features. The HS175D isn't far behind with its GPS auto return and functions like altitude hold and optical flow. It's praised for its ease of use, especially for beginners, but it doesn't quite match the hydrogen sulfide E's sophistication. So the HS720E is the straight A student, while the HS175D is the kid who's just happy to pass. Time to talk about flight time. Both drones claim a total of 46 minutes with 2 batteries. So it's a tie here. However, the hydrogen sulfide E's whisper-quiet, brushless motors offer a more serene flight experience, which users appreciate. The HS175D, while still good, is a bit noisier. Your call, folks. User experience is key. The HS720E offers Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's like having a mini drone butler, and reviewers rave about its intuitive controls and features. The HS175D has similar tricks up its sleeve with Follow Me, path flights, and gesture control. While it's praised for being beginner-friendly, it doesn't quite match the hydrogen sulfide E's advanced capabilities. The hydrogen sulfide E's advanced features make it the James Bond of drones, while the HS175D is more like Inspector Gadget. Overall, the HS720E is highly praised for its professional-level video quality, advanced flight features, and stability. Users appreciate its cost-effectiveness despite being pricier. On the other hand, the HS175D is lauded for its ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners. It provides good value for money, but lacks some of the advanced features of the HS720E. So there you have it, folks. The HS720E is a high-flying superstar, packed with advanced features and superior camera quality. But if you're on a budget and still want a solid performer, the HS175D is your friendly neighborhood drone. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!